Good afternoon everyone, this is the presentation of Group 2 prepared by Miss Columbus Divijane, Miss Derama, Miss Bacal, Miss Quasito, Miss Quinarejo, Miss Daian, and Mr. Bernardo. And now let's discuss about the two forms of movement, which is the locomotor movements and the non-locomotor movements. So let's talk about locomotor. Locomotor movements, these are done by moving the body form from one place to another. Also, it can develop body control. Here are some examples of the locomotor movements. So first is walking. Walking is shifting one's weight from one foot to another. So the picture there was done by Miss Derama. Second is running. Running is moving with longer strides and in faster speed than walking. Next is sliding. It's done by gliding on the floor sideward or forward using the right and left foot alternately. Next is hopping. Is springing on one foot and landing on the same foot. The picture there was done by Miss Bacal. Next is skipping. Is done with a step in a hop using the same foot. Another one is jumping. Is springing on the foot or both feet and landing on both feet, or on landing always bend knees slightly. One of the picture there was done by Miss Quasito. The next one is leaping. Is springing on one foot and landing on the other foot, so it must be in a wide stride. The last one is galloping. Is stepping on one foot and cutting the other, either sideward or forward. These are the basic examples of the non-locomotor movements. And now let's proceed to the non-locomotor movements, and Miss Ejime Cummins will continue the discussion.
Non-locomotor skills. Not required body to move from place to place. Not incorporate objects into movement. Perform in stable position, standing or sitting, such as twisting, turning, bending, stretching, rocking, curling, and balancing. It is mostly used in gymnastics. So, non-locomotor skills, it is a fundamental body movement that do not incorporate traveling. It does not require traveling while exercising.
Here are the examples for the non-locomotor movements. First is bending. Bending is moving the muscles around a joint where two body parts meet. So the pictures was done by Miss Emily Cañarejo. Next is stretching. It's done by straightening or extending any part of the body from the joints. The picture was done by Miss Daian. Another one is lifting. Is elevating a part of the body, usually for the arms and legs. The picture was done by Mr. Bernardo. Twisting is moving a part of the body around a long axis, usually for the head and the body. Next is rotating. It's done by moving a part of the body around axis. The best example of this is a girl who used a hula hoop. Swinging is a pendular movement below an axis. And the last one example for this non-locomotor movement is swaying. It's a pendular movement above an axis. Those are the examples for the non-locomotor movements. Why two forms of movement is important? Locomotor and non-locomotor skills are important because it provides opportunity for enjoyment, challenge, self-expression, and social interaction. I hope you understand our presentation, guys, and I would like to thank you for gracing your time as you watch and listen, or as you pay attention to our discussion. So thank you and God bless.